Hello, welcome back to Blender Sushi LiveENODING. In this episode, I want to share with you this Node 3 setup. Basically, this one actually doesn't need too much explanations. Basically, I have two texts here, Blender and Sushi. They are actually still live text. So, but what we can do here, I can change this kind of swiggle that looks like the text, and I can kind of interpolate it into this grease pencil line, and then also just turn it into another text. So we can also change this try Blender Donuts. Actually, yeah, I think it should work. Go back to layer number 1. See? Donuts. And there are actually two interpolation. This is actually really simple. If you look at it, the way I like to explain it, I don't want to build this from scratch, but this, if you look at the nodes, we use a lot of same nodes basically, and I have 3 different data and just simply interpolate the data, and the output is this curve. And I have 2 texts as the source, right? And from the 2 texts, we can actually get the points or the vertex points, and that's what I'm using here to generate our lines. And the lines can have more detail. And I simply use this vector interpolations to resample the line, and then simply use things like special thing like UV connections in SVerchok to get the edge, but you don't actually need to use UV connections, but just in case you need that, we have it, and you simply interpolate. So Blender Donuts, or if you want another one, you have the line. So I think that's pretty cool. It's pretty fun effect as well. And I actually have this randomized input vertices just for fun. You can turn that off if you don't want to have the squiggle. It's pretty fun effect, and I recommend you to play around and maybe make variations out of it. Okay, so that's a quick one. You simply need a SVerchok add-on for this. You can also use animation nodes. Maybe animation nodes have resample nodes as well, but in SVerchok it's called vector interpolations. And if you don't know already, of course, I use this a lot. Control space and then GP will give you the grease pencil resample. So I use this a lot, just in case. And this one allow you to have multiple strokes as well, and then resample each stroke separately depending on the length. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Hopefully you find this useful. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.